Hello everybody. In this lesson, we are going to learn how we can change the default font. Okay. So you can see normally default font in MS Excel is Calibri. Okay. Suppose our company has a different font, like you can say like agency or Aptos, all these fonts also you can change. Okay. How we can make it? Okay. So we have file here. Under file we have options. Okay. Then we have general. Under general, you can see here when creating new worksheet, what you want. Use this as the default font. You have like a lot of options are there, like Aptos or Aptos display Arial. Suppose we want the Arial. So what is the font size I want? I want suppose the 12. Font size has to be 12. It has to be normal view or page break. So we can also suppose normal view we are looking for. Okay. Include this many sheets accordingly we can make use of this and then okay. Now so please close and restart MS Excel so that the font changes can take effect. So then what you need to do, you have to close and make a restart so that here instead of Calibri we will get Arial. Okay, that's for the lesson. See you in the next one.